Today we have a defective copy of Call of Duty Black Ops 2. So let's clean it. We'll start with the coarse sandpaper. A little water. 20 seconds. Okay, we'll switch to the soft sandpaper. A little bit more water. 10 seconds. We'll add some compound to the buffing pad. A little more than I planned, but it works. Rub it in. And now we'll switch to the buffing pad. You can do this one up to 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and try a minute. Let's add the compound for the polishing pad. There, not too much. Now I want to take out the buffing pad and put in the polish pad. 1 minute on that also. Okay, now it's time to remove the disc. I'm going to need 2 hands for this one. I like to spray the disc with this cleaner before I wipe it down. Then I'm going to use this cloth to clean it off. This disc is still imperfect, but it's much cleaner than it was. Let's test it out. This might take a second, so I may have to crop this a couple times. There we go, it's working. Hopefully I get the same result with all these guys. And now we add it to the shelf.